Alright, so I couldn't resist taking a few shots at it with just the front of it done. Reminds me of those old gassers that used to raise up real high in the front. They look kind of funny. But I also wanted to go down the road right quick and see if I got my, all the adjustments so that it will not be difficult. One of the hardest things was, and believe me, you're going to need a tap and die set. Where these bolts go into these tubes, top and bottom, on both sides, my friend John had to come over with his tap and die set and tap those out. Because I think when they welded that, this cone-shaped piece onto the tube, I think there was a lot of metal filings in here that just sat there in the threads because it maybe got magnetized. It sat there in the threads. When they started welding that, they heated it up so hot that all that debris stuck to the threads in here. You could not get these bolts in there. So if you buy one of these sets and it's not like a really high-end one, like a $500 lift, you want to make sure you got a tap and die set to tap this out. Otherwise you're going to be, well, you're just not going to get your bolt in there. So thanks, John. Appreciate you tapping that out for me. Saved my day. Now let's go get the back of it put on. Do one half walk around it. And that'd be it.